Hi guys, this demo I'm gonna show you some very practical handy function from DingTalk. If you are a project manager, if you are someone handling subcontractors, this is a very good app for you to utilize. And essentially, this is a free. So I'm gonna show you a few tips for using DingTalk for manager of small projects. So first of all, DingTalk has lots of functions. It has a chat, context management, project space, task management, and it has drive a cloud drive area. You can document everything in this area and put it inside. And for a free user, it has 100 gigabyte space, which is a pretty decent volume already. It's more than enough for lots of projects. You can save your files, photos, videos, and lots of information and material. And also a very cool thing is DingTalk inbuilt internal mail system, and can show you something here. If you want to reply, if you have received some email, you don't have to go to very far away. Just in your chat window, you can just reply this mail, just like this one. I show you. This is example. Someone sent me an email earlier today. I probably can just click and see the messages. Exactly, this is the email exactly someone sent over to me. If you want, I want to reply, just click and see. All done. For example, since it's all been confirmed, I just sent a message. Here we go. The message already gone. So this is quite easy to use. All right, just let's go back to the space of the project, because what we're talking about today is the most importantly relevance with the project management. Task to do. And we go over here. This is pretty much your project management space. All right, here we go. My projects. So here we go. This is the main page of my projects. You can create as many as you want. I already created a few examples for you to have a look. The upper one, which is this one, is the one I would like to show you to give you some ideas how you can use these functions. So the first one is, this is a task list. I might just do it later. I just show you the documents area. It's actually a pretty cool and a practical cloud space. You can just structure your documents right over here. Let me just show you something. This is pretty much a contract area, and all this functions can show you how you can manage your projects. I'll show you this one because document is very important during your having your project and make it dusted. And a contract here, we can add something directly, or if you'd like to share this document with someone, you can just click share and just tag if someone's organization, or you want to share somebody, just send it to the chat. Or you can just simply make a group management. You are project manager, or you like to your solicitor, or maybe some other people like from finance would like to be part of this. So you can just add existing group to take a look and manage this document as well. This is more about like document management functions. All right, so the little function over here. So if you want to add a people member to do management, you can just select, for example, just add a member. If I think I need more people, I can just select from my company hierarchy. It's just existing structure from my my contact list. Okay, so just go down here. You can just add more things like project details, etc. And then again, you can share this information with someone else from a specific person, or maybe a group, something like that. All right, let's go back here. The task list is very important for all projects. When it comes down to a task breakdown, it has many jobs for people to follow up. So I just create this is a part of the Darlington upgrade project. It's a real network, and I just created right now, and assign a people under this name, and due date is this date, and I created a subtask for subcontractor on site, and I assign it there during again, and this is another subcontractor's job at a subtask. It's like a cement job. Under the cement job is a roadside, something like that. It just give you some rough ideas. Regardless how big or small your project is, you can just make a breakdown and assign to a specific person. Okay, so here's a few things I'd like to highlight as well. So here we go. Once I click this one, so what you can see, this here is a side window pop up. You can see some more specific details regarding this project information. So for example, like the date of the due date, and some other comments, which is a 30/20 is some of the code for the job, and it shows like Ben's subcontractors. It's kind of like a targeting Ben's work is managing a subcontractor, etc. And you can put this things, prioritize the level of the priority, high, medium, or low, or whatsoever. Just click. And also here is something very important. I'm going to show you. I just input something to have someone to approve my request. You can just edit any request you want to be part of this approval process. So for example, this one is the real network contract has to be approved from management. So I just input all these details. This is a approval ID and the department and contract numbers and a date and all informations, right? And contents, I just dropped to something like that. And you can loop in person who is a approver, and input the name and who is the person to notify you. So perhaps you like to loop in some people from finance or people from admin group to be part of the person in the loop. So you can just get it down, and you can also to put some comments. Please fasten the progress. The deadline is quite close, something like that. Just align with the request for your project. All right. So mark the request. The person is me. Actually, I just input my name over here. And if you would like to share this request for, you can just select certain people of group. Let's say this is the testing one. It's my test account again. I can also share this request approval from to someone else as well. So make more people to see this approval things, make it more transparent, make it more productive. All right. If you see something actually specifically you want to get more approval or more things you want to summarize, just go there. So for example, in this project, previously I created approval task for someone to take a look and fasten the progress. I probably during the time I might need to buy something, so procurement. All right, I just input procurement stuff. Maybe I need to buy this, buy that. Let's say just to give example, this is not actual stuff. It's production materials and a date. I probably need to get it down on 25th, and a name, J, nothing else, just nickel, and put the quantity 100. For example, this is a very rough example, guys. You don't have to take very specific look on this. Just creating this. If you want to add more details, you can always add more details. Otherwise, you can just simply delete. Okay, just input things you want to use, transfer or cash whatsoever. Let me just put this one. And again, once come down to approval, we need to input someone can approve your procurement or anything. So I just input here the person's KJ, the big boss, and someone to notice as notifier, just Roy Anderson, my best fella, just input. All right, the procurement has been successfully submitted. But once you can see the things has been done, it will in your list. Until the guy actually approve your request. Otherwise, this notice will always be here. Okay. All right. So hopefully this short demo can give you some ideas to manage your project and your subcontractors. Once you have some more details want to take a look, you can always go back to this chat window here, show you where is the task, talented ones, and anything done in the project will pop up in your windows because you're the manager or the person in charge of this. You can take a look from here. And again, this is not just a PC side application. You can do everything on your mobile phone. Why we're mentioning DingTalk a lot is you can manage your project from your mobile phone, and all contractors, subcontractors, they can easily engage with your process because everyone has a phone. You can just add them as a contact and notify the details of the project, the job you want them to deliver. And once they have done, they can just slash whatever they have done. You will get a notify over here. It's quite practical and easy. So please give it a try today. Thank you.